Subscribe and keep watching for a special offer coming soon from Olight.
UtahGunExchange.com, the nation's patriot marketplace. Buy, sell, trade.
Do you like knives? Do you like cutting things? Watch till the end of this video and Blade HQ is going to cut some things.
SHOT Show 2018, we're going to look at the Midland backpack. This is a pretty interesting shotgun. How you doing, Ryan?
Hey, my name is Ryan. I'm out here at Midland 2018 SHOT Show introducing the Midland Arms backpack. This is their 18-inch model, 12 gauge, single shot. It has a cocked indicator on the side, which you can see is tactile. So when you pull the trigger, it recesses into the receiver. Nice thing about these shotguns is they are available in 12, 410, and 20 at the moment, with interchangeable barrels on the way later 2018, starting with rimfire. Going to be doing some testing on the receivers to make sure what they can handle, and that will dictate what calibers will be available from there on out. Nice thing about this shotgun is this particular model is the 18-inch model and has a removable Beretta-style choke, which you can see there. A lot of guys are buying longer barreled shotguns, trying to cut them down to get a nice compact package. Well, you lose your front sight and your choke. So with this, you still have the ability to keep your pattern nice and tight with a Beretta-style choke, and you still have a front bead. Going back to the back of the stock here, you can see it has an adjustable length of pull with two inserts there. This is a 14-inch length of pull as it is, and then you can compact it down to a 12-inch length of pull. Got a nice little recoil butt pad on the back there. Unscrew the swivel sling stud and gain access to the storage compartment by rocking it out. Going back to the stock, you have removable grip panels here. So if you're buying this for a son, daughter, or yourself, and you want to spice it up just a little bit here, we're going to have some new colors coming out. We don't have any colors available just yet, but they will be coming out. Possibly some camo stocks as well.
Cool.
And so basically, if you buy, say, the 12 gauge, and you want to purchase the 410 barrel later on, it comes with these inserts to tighten up the fore end there. As you can see, the 12 gauge barrel is a lot bigger. So clean that up nicely here. You can see with the 410, doesn't have a big gap.
So the 410, if we were to buy the 410 straight, it would come with that insert in it, is that correct?
They all come with the insert.
Okay, perfect.
So these are available, again, the 12 gauge in a couple different lengths of barrel length. Again, the 20 gauge in a couple different lengths. 410, as of right now, is available only in 18-inch, but we'll be introducing other longer barreled models.
What's our weight on these things?
Very lightweight. I don't have an exact weight, but everybody that's picked up says, wow, that's pretty light.
Yeah, no, I noticed that yesterday as well. Can I hold that for a sec?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's just a few pounds.
Yeah.
I would say, I don't know, maybe 4?
Yeah.
I don't know exactly, but it's pretty light.
Yeah. It's all composite stock. Again, with the inside the stock here in the back, I don't know if I mentioned, but they will have little survival kits that they will be selling as well, and introducing a backpack for said backpack shotgun.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah. Let's look at the stock compartment there. You've got one opened up over here.
Yeah. So this is the back end of the stock, which you can see there.
All right. So
I got the coffee jitters.
You're good. This is how that would rock out, because that's your little swivel pin right there, and that's an example of the two compartments. And so one
will be for the bolt, of course, and then this will actually be your storage right here.
Gotcha. Okay. Okay. Nice.
Yep.
What's our MSRP on them?
MSRP is actually only $150.
$150.
So from distributors, you can actually find this from $120 to $130, depending on where you're at and where they're at. So you get a lot of versatility, a lot of little different features for not a lot of money.
Yeah, I'll say.
Yeah.
Cool, man. Hopefully I'll get one in hand at some point and try one out, because these at $150, people are going to be wondering how durable this is. That's it. And how much you can actually shoot it. You shot it a bit, haven't you?
I've actually put 50 rounds through this one and about 30 through the 410 so far.
Okay.
And I haven't had any issues with the 12 gauge. It's been extremely reliable. If you ever do have to run into a failure of fire or something like that, this actually has a nice little feature here. If you keep the barrel closed, you can actually rack it again and have the ability for second strike.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah. Huh. So you're actually cocking the action here by pushing that in. So.
Okay. Interesting. Ryan, you have a YouTube channel as well, don't you?
I do. You can find me on ZRUS Outdoors channel, a little small channel out there.
Cool.
And I'm kind of a little star-shucked right now.
Don't worry about it. But you covered this shotgun on your channel, is that right?
I did. I have, currently was the only video on YouTube of this shotgun. Contacted them. They sent me one out for T&E, and
cool.
Here I am.
Nice.
So
So check him out and check out his video on this if you want to see. You got some footage of it in action, I assume?
I do.
Good.
Yep.
You want to see it being shot and all that stuff, check out his channel. You can see that today. And hopefully stay tuned. Maybe I'll get a hold of one and do some shooting with it too. But it looks, at that price, I mean, 150 MSRP and 125, it's kind of a no-brainer.
As I've said before, you know, if you're buying this for a son or a daughter or something like that, you'll probably lose that amount of money between McDonald's and ice cream. So.
Right. Cool, man.
Yeah.
I'm excited to try it out. Thank you, Ryan.
Thanks for stopping by.
And we are at Midland, checking out the Midland backpack. Thanks for watching.
Well, hello there. My name's Kurt at Blade HQ. This is my Holtzbrook Carpenter axe, and I like to cut steak.